A son took his old mother to a restaurant for an evening dinner. Mother, being very old and weak, while eating, dropped food on her dress. Other diners watched her in disgust, while her son was calm. After she finished eating, her son, who was not at all embarrassed, quietly took her to the washroom. He wiped the food particles, removed the stains, combed her hair, when they came out, the entire restaurant was watching them in dead silence. Not able to grasp how someone could embarrass themselves publicly like that. The son settled the bill and started walking out with his mom. At that time, an old man amongst the diners called out to the son and asked him, "Don't you think you have left something behind?" The son replied, "No, sir, I haven't." The old man retorted, "Yes, you have. You've left a lesson for every son and hope for every mother." The restaurant went silent.